If you want to set up face unlock on a Motorola Moto G56, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings we're gonna go to, well, we need to scroll down a little bit, and then we need to go to security and privacy. After that, go to device unlock, and here we can find face unlock. Once you go over here, you need to enter your screen lock password. If you don't have screen lock password, you will be asked to do that first. So let's enter the password, let's proceed. And then we can press setup over here in the bottom right corner. And let's press again. Now we should open the front camera, so we need to align our face in the circle. If you wear glasses, you will be asked to take them off. After that, we will find two additional options where we can skip the lock screen if we are unlocking with the face recognition. And we can also enable lift to unlock, where we can raise the phone to unlock by looking at the screen. So now we can proceed by pressing next, and then we are all done. So thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.